this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the loan to subscribe. Now, you need to understand that Bekenet Trading Software is not a free application. You must subscribe before you be able to get signal for Forex. You get signal for Well Trade Synthetic, and you get signal for Deriv Synthetic. And each of these signal costs $5 per day. Do you understand? Which is a pay as you go. As you can see, this is my current trade as we are trading right now for today. This is $35 running. You can check the dates. Look at it. Today is on the 7th, and you can see it. Today is on the 8th. So that's a carryover trade that I just took. This is the current trade that is running now, all in profit, if you follow the simple rules that I'm going to show you. So let me move straight to the app. Now, this is Bekenet Trading Software app. This app has a whole lot of functions. But before the app has a whole lot of function, before you be able to use the function, you must subscribe to the system. After you must have activated your notification, you have to subscribe. And we have so many ways you can subscribe. It's either you are using your money to subscribe or you get a loan from the app. Basically, you don't believe everything online, and you will not believe everything that I'm saying, that if I'm actually using the software to make money. All you need to do, we have a loan in the app, which is a $10 loan. A $10 loan subscription, which you can actually use to subscribe to use Bekenet Trading Software. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So I'm going to be clicking here. I'll click Control Access. I'll go to Pay As You Go. Now, this Pay As You Go is a payment platform whereby you can subscribe, fund your wallet, and subscribe to either Forex Signal, Well Trade Signal, or Deriv Synthetic Signal. You don't have access to anything. Immediately you create your account, you won't have access to anything until you subscribe. So I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be doing that. So I'm going to be clicking Pay As You Go. Now, as you can see, this is the Pay As You Go. You understand? This is my current account. I just have $64 here in my wallet. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get the loan. All you need to do is very simple. Click this thing. Once you click here, you'll be able to acquire a loan. As you can see, my loan is empty. If I take this $10 loan, this money will increase to $75. Look at it. So I'm taking a loan now. So I've taken the loan. It's going to refresh. So you see, I have $75 here and I have $10 here. So how do you use this loan? Let me give you a proper example, in real life example. We all live in Nigeria and we have a different communication network. Let's use MTN, for example. Let's say you want to make call and you don't have airtime in your phone. All you need to do, you borrow the airtime from the service provider. Once you borrow that money, the money remains in your account until you use it to make call. It's the same thing with this. Once you take that loan, the money remains here. The loan you've taken remains there until you use it to subscribe. Do you understand? Now, another thing you need to understand about this loan is that you have just 5 days to make use of this loan. 5 days. After that 5 days, your access will be blocked totally from the system. And before you be able to use anything again, you have to repay the loan. And the loan you are repaying is what? You're paying 30% interest in the loan. Do you understand? So that is clear for that. So I'm going to be showing you the menu. These are all the menus, everything concerning the subscription. This is where you fund your wallet, to put money into your wallet. As soon as you verify that the platform is real, it's something you want to start using to make money, then this is where you clear your loan. Now let me click clearing of loan. Very simple. Okay, once I click clearing of loan, you can see the date I took this loan. I'm going to be paying back $13 interest, which is 30% interest. Today is on the 8th of January 2026. That's why I took the loan. This is where my due date is going to be, when I'm going to pay the loan back, which is on the 13th. So I have 5 days to pay back this loan. So if I could not pay back this loan in 5 days, the system will lock me out automatically until I clear the loan. How do you clear the loan? You fund your wallet from that place I just showed you. Then you click this menu here to clear your loan. Once you clear your loan, you can retake another loan and just be repeating the cycle just like that. So now let's assume now I want to clear this loan. All I need to do is just click here. Now I want to clear that. Let me just subscribe. So if I want to subscribe, let's assume now I've gotten the loan already, just like so many of you have gotten the loan. All you need to do, click this menu here. Look at it. Set access. Once you click this set access, it will take you to a page. It will ask you, what do you want to subscribe for? Is it Forex? Is it Deriv? Is it Well Trade Synthetic? And each of them costs $5 per day. So I'm going to be subscribing for Forex. I'll click Forex. It's going to take me, you click again. I'll now select the number of days I want to subscribe. Since I have only $10 as my loan, I'll just click 2 days. Look at it. $10 will be removed from your wallet. This is 2 days subscription. Daily subscription is $5 per day. I'll click, then I'll now click set access. Once I click this set access, I have been granted access to what the forest portal in the software. From there, I can do a whole lot of stuff, because as you're subscribing, you're not subscribing just for signal. You're subscribing to gain access into the software. So through the process you're gaining access into the software, you can now use the AI that is going to tell you when to buy and when to sell. So it's simple. I have subscribed already. I'll click home. Once I click home, you take me back to the page. If you look at the history, look at when I subscribed. I subscribed for Forest. Today is on the 8th. So it's going to expire, because I'm subscribing for 2 days. It's going to expire on the 10th. 1 a.m. Now, one thing you need to understand about our daily subscription starts from 1 a.m. the very first day and ends 1 a.m. the next day. That is how our subscription is. So since I've checked my subscription already, I've done that. The next thing, I'll need to click this menu to go to the main app, which is this dashboard. You click this dashboard and go to the main app. That is where you now set the AI that is going to help you, tell you when to buy or sell, or use other tools that is in the app. Very simple. So I'm going to be clicking this now. So once I click this, this is the main menu. Once I click retracement promos, I'll now click load all pairs. You load your pairs, so that this pair that I'm loading now, I'm instructing the AI now to get signal from me from all these pairs that you're saying. Do you understand? So it's going to be helping me to analyze all these pairs. That's how you do it for Forex. If you subscribe for Forex, if you subscribe for Well Trade, once the portal open, you go straight to retracement promos and click load all pairs. If it's derivative synthetic, you go to derivative synthetic signal, you look at it. If it's Forex, you go to Forex, you click retracement promos to load the AI to tell you when to buy or when to sell. If it's what's it called? Derivative synthetic, you subscribe for, you come here, you click retracement. Once you click it, you load up. If it's Well Trade, you subscribe for, you click Well Trade signal, you click this one too. Look at it, retracement promos. Then the AI will tell you when to buy or when to sell. So let's assume now I've gotten a signal and the AI is telling me what to buy, when to buy and when to sell. What are the things you need to look out for? It's very simple. As you can see, this is my current trade that is currently running. As you can see, we're shooting to the upside. So Bekenet Trading software is what you actually need to make money in this 2026 that we're in. So if you have any question on this video, drop it on the comments.